which is very possible. And I think that's actually very likely that we are going to see a green day from SESN today. And then we're going to, good morning, take care of a few things. Go on, so I'm just setting up my trading screens and stuff. Just so I can get everything kind of set up. Shiba Inu to the moon. Hey, I hope it happens for you. It'll be at 104. Trust. Are you talking about SESN? Yeah, I mean, I would like to see it at 104. Pull back to 104. 103, 104. That's when I would start scaling into my position. Thank you for the follow. I'm so mad. Just Grim. Why is that? Why are you mad? Welcome back to the stream. I'm feeling a little congested today. I think I might be coming down with tonsillitis, so sorry if I sound a little stuffy. And SESN I am watching SESN for the swing trade. I'm going to probably swing trade this and day trade it, just because I do think we have a lot of volume popping in. Now let's go ahead and cover our main watch list. Personal options. Here we go. Now, AMD. I'm looking for the short on AMD. We had about the same amount of volume. I think we come down to I want to see a pullback down to around 113 today for AMD. Thank you guys for the likes. Bitcoin is 64.6. Bitcoin's at 64.6. No, it's not. I transferred my account from Robinhood to TD, and since I sold the transfer, I got marked as a pattern day trader. What you need to do is set up a cash account and then trade with half of your capital every single day, and then you won't be able to. Then you won't be time. Thank you for the likes. All right. Why isn't my Bitcoin loading? All right, here we go. Let's look at it. Oh shit. Here we go, guys. Bitcoin's stupid close. I mean, we popped up all the way up to that was the new high at 64.5. 64.5. We're like 400 away from a new high. I am going to actually keep this up on the screen because I do want to see it cross. I think that's monumental. Good morning, Yasmin. SESN. I'm looking at SESN as well. I think we could see a swing trade. I think if we break over 124 today, we have room up to 150. And I mean, I think I'm going to day trade SESN, and also I'm going to swing it for the move higher. I'm looking at the December 17th calls. Oh no, that's AMD. For SESN, just because that FDA grant, I think I'm actually, yeah, December 17th call. We have around 58 days until that's, and they're around $20 a contract right now. I think since we are gapping down a little bit. No, we're not. We're still gapping up, actually. Never mind. I was lying to you guys. So I think we're going to gap up to around $30 a contract. I want to see bounce off one, might be able to get in there and then hold it until 150. Break over the high of that 124 today. I mean, we have room back up to 150. We might have a small cup and handle potentially with a higher low. I want to see this higher low again on down to 103 to 1. Thank you guys for the likes. H bar looking nice. Let's look at H bar. It's very choppy in the 5-minute. Let's look at the daily. It is looking nice. A nice bullish pennant. Looking to break. We had that increase. We have increasing volume. I think we could see it back up to 41, 42 on this run. So SDSN is definitely one I'm watching. And I'm also, thanks for that. I wrote a letter telling them I was new to TD and misunderstood their day trading policy. Hope that helps. Yes. Yeah, so cash account, trade with half of the capital that you have. And then you can trade every single day. Like if you have 4,000, trade with 2,000. If you have 1,000, trade with 500 every day. Because the 500 you trade on Monday will be, you trade 500 Monday, 500 Tuesday, then the 500 from Monday will be open on Wednesday. Thank you for the follow. Let's go ahead and take a peek at our options. We were supposed to do that, and then options. Here we go. AMD, I am liking AMD for the short. I am liking AMD for the short. I think we break the pre-market lows at around 15. Yeah, around 1547. I think we have room down to 1450, and then potentially lower. Awesome, thanks for that. It's not like that on Robinhood, and that's why I messed up. Really? What? How is it on Robinhood? And if we break the lows, we're coming down to 13. So I am looking for AMD puts today. So AMD below 115.50. Room to 114.50. Break 114.50. I mean, we have room down to 113. How is the SPY doing? Is the SPY looking bullish or bearish? Guys, the SPY is stupid. Absolutely. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Like, gap up. Gap up. Gap up. Decreasing volume. What the fuck is this? What? Are you kidding me? The RSI in the 4-hour is, I think we're gonna see a red day. I keep saying that every day that the SPY is going to be red, but it just doesn't fucking happen. But I do want to fill the gap. I mean, we're starting to get that bearish sentiment here. I mean, kind of moving up, and then now we're kind of rounding off. It looks like. I mean, that just looks like to me. I mean, if we break over those break below those pre-market lows, might have room to 447.56, and then maybe a little bit lower. We'll see what happens. Bitcoin 3 months ago, 31. 1 month ago, now 64. Yes. BBIG CFO and CEO resigned. Really? I don't think you guys should, also, I don't think you guys should be buying Bitcoin right now, because nobody knows if we're going to have that bull run or if we're going to have a double top and not break or whatever. I mean, we also don't have crazy volume. If we had crazy volume, I would be more bullish on it, but I don't think if it is a you staying in GoPro. No, I'm staying in GoPro for a couple more weeks actually. Why? I mean, I think we're gonna pull back as long as we don't break this low. I'm staying in GoPro. Oh, whoops. Because look, we have a nice downtrend break, double bottom. I think we have room back to 10 for GoPro. So I'm still in GoPro, looking for it to buy. Okay, see ya. If you're like leaving. But I mean, honestly, why would you buy Bitcoin at the top if nobody knows really what it's gonna go? Did 1 billion in volume. Bitcoin. I'm not talking about the ETF. I'm talking about the actually Bitcoin. Yeah, so I'm looking for the downtrend break here. I think we have room back up to 10 for GoPro. Again, my delta is fit. I mean, if we come up to 10, I'll make like over 100% on those calls. So we'll see if it comes up to 10. We are building up. I like this high volume on these green candles. It seems like we're getting high volume. People are looking to break. And it tells me at the end of the day that that's not just retail traders. That's actually institutional traders looking to catch the move higher. We have the nice daily chart. We have some room higher. So and on the 4-hour, I mean up to 10. So I am expecting a break. If we break over 119 today, we might see a good amount of volume pop in. Break over 119. We probably will have room up to maybe 140. We'll see. Right over 119, 140. Yeah, I mean, seriously. When I first got into stocks, I probably lost $300 chasing bull runs and being bullheaded on the downturn, just losing. Hey, same here. When I first started trading stocks, I lost fucking $4,000. The first ever trade I made 12%. That was a mistake. Because I immediately got into options and lost everything. So why is the swing trade? Okay. So again, let's go ahead and go through our options. Again, we're watching AMD below the pre-market lows. We have room down to 114 and then 115 or 113. We are having about the same amount. We have decreasing volume, but we are on a smaller spread. So that's telling me that, okay, sellers are now entering the market. Nice double top, gap down a little bit. But break below the pre-market lows. We have room for a dollar move here. catch today. We can get a nice. We might be able to get 60 or so bucks out of it, maybe a little bit more. We'll see what happens. Bitcoin 24-hour volume is 36 billion. Yeah, I could care less how much volume it has in the 24 hours. All I'm caring about is relative volume. If you look at when we were ripping up for the bull run, the volume compared to what it is now, it's very minimal. It's maybe half of what the volume is. But I will give you this. Last time we broke the all-time high back in November of 2020, we have around the same amount of volume. We broke the all-time high, and then once we broke that high, we ripped, and that's when the volume started to come in. Bitcoin is still cheap. I 100% agree. But I mean, I would much rather for Bitcoin. I genuinely think when we have a bear market that we are going to, even if we do cross all-time highs and we rip, if we come back to a bear market, I do think we will break this low again. Or this high at 64,000. But you never know. So again, let's go ahead and go to AMC. What am I watching for AMC? AMC, I think everything's going to be a bear. I think it looks like a bearish day today. Below pre-market low. I mean, AMC has room down to 37. I mean, we might see a pullback to 42 and then with continued lower. So, I mean, there's two ways we could play this. We could play this off after the break of pre-market, or we could play it off the 42. If we see it come up to 42 and maybe we get puts down to 38 and then potentially even down to 39.50 and then 38.50 for AMC. So I am going to watch for AMC puts here. The SPY has decreasing volume and it's gapping up still. But we are kind of rounding off. So I think today's going to be the first red day for the past like 5 days. And I'm looking for AMC puts, AMD puts. What are you mining in your house? I'm not. That's my Roomba. I wish I was mining. It's going to be off here in a little bit. Oh, sorry, guys. I can't even see my YouTube. There it is. Sorry. I had my things up. I'm glad that it's over with, LOL. Yes. I can look at those in a sec. I'm going to finish writing my trade plan for AMC. Bounce off 41.77. Room to 40. And then potentially 38 for AMC. Soon South American country will sell and accept Bitcoin for their oil. It's I know, I 100% agree. I think Bitcoin is a $1 million coin. 100%. But I also don't see the volume. I mean, anything. I would much rather wait and hold my cash flow than potential OCG and FDA approval. Okay, here we go. We got CKELA. KELYA. Increasing volume to the downside. That's not what I want to see. As long as we don't break this low of 1850 for KELA, I'm bullish on it. Then we have AGRX. Really high volume yesterday, or 2 days ago with a doji candle. Light volume on the pullback, which is what we want to see because it tells me that buyers aren't looking to, or sellers aren't looking to take it longer. But I think people who are buying here and down here, we're selling, and that's why we had that high volume yesterday. I mean, as long as we don't break yesterday's low or this pre-market low, or yesterday's low, I'm pretty bullish on AGRX. Never mind, I was looking at the wrong chart. OCGN, that might be a good play for the FDA approval. They are getting some uh OCGN. So I think love your channel. My morning caffeine. Thank you, thank you. I wish I need some more caffeine today. I'm not feeling the best, but thank you so much. With OCGN, I do like these really long wicks to the upside. You might be able to swing this. When is the FDA approval? October 26th. Meet. Oh, so I think this is the rumor. Big sell off, decreasing volume. I mean, I want to see if we. It's hard. This is a hard stock to play. I'm gonna keep it on watch just so I can maybe get an entry for it. Aloha, yeah, and then let's go ahead and good morning. Good morning. It's hump day, guys. Right now we're close. We're at 64.3 right now for Bitcoin. Topped out at 64.57. Oh man. All right, alrighty. Let's go ahead and go back over. So we stopped at AMC. We're gonna look at CrowdStrike. Decreasing volume, pullback. Not a huge fan of anything right now. We could see this move lower, but I would like to see increasing volume. Nvidia decreasing volume. I think we're gonna see a pullback on Nvidia today as well, but I don't see a potential entry. I mean, break the pre-market low. We have room down to yesterday's low, but we'll see. Keep SQ. SQ is one that I took my profits on. I bought right here. I sold it up here. So I'm glad I was able to capitalize on that, and I did make that trade plan on my hot stocks I'm watching video, which is nice. No rain today. Nope. No rain today. I'm actually got some pre-workout because I do not want to spend the money on rain every single day. And the pre-workout's actually the same amount of caffeine, but I only took a quarter scoop today just because I'm not feeling the best. And today was my recovery day where I just stretched and did a little bit of cardio. I mean, pure OG pump right out of the gate. We have decreasing volume, pretty low. Pump above $3. We have room up to 320. Very possible for pre-ROG. I do think we could see it. But last time it gaps up, we had a nice candle and a couple days of a pullback. And this very well, same thing could happen here. I mean, what I don't want to see, I don't want to see us break below 270. Ideally, thank you for the follow. I don't want to see us below 270. Just because then we're going to have room down to 250. And I don't know what your buy-in price is, but do not let a winning trade turn against you. AITX. AITX. Increasing volume yesterday. We're oversold. Started to get that selling pressure. Oh, man. Not really. We're opening up. I mean, if we break over that 50-cent level, if we break over that 50-cent level, we have room up to 55, 56. What's going on here? Received 25-unit order from a leading attraction industry. Artificial intelligence technology solutions reports revenue increase of over 400%. Pretty good. Again, so I think we could see this back up to 60 today if we do break over that $50, 50-cent price target. Trump 2026. I think Trump 2024. I mean, Biden just killing it for traders, increasing the capital gains tax. Fuck him. I don't know if it actually went through, but he was trying to increase it. Okay, yes. Sorry, guys. I'm a little out of it today. Just not feeling it. So I am going to play it pretty slow. Bruh, y'all like Trump the liar? Hey, I mean, I don't want to get political on here, but Trump, I'm not going to talk about Trump, what are good things, bad things. There's plenty of things that are bad with Trump, but I'm just talking Biden has not been doing a good job at all. The Afghan thing, why would you leave billions of dollars of stuff there? I mean, I'm not blaming Biden. I'm just saying like that decision was not good. And also they're trying to raise the debt ceiling even more, digging us more into a hole. Meaning like I could manage the government better. Why would you keep digging us more into a debt? Like that's just not they don't because they don't care about the actual country. They just care about getting them rich and getting more power. And that's what I don't like. Increasing taxes. So they also want a $4 trillion deal or plan. And you know where that comes from? Taxpayers' money. Trump runs for Florida reps, wins, and Republicans take the House back, and they make Trump Speaker of the House until he wins. That's hey, I hope. I mean, honestly, like I could care less if Trump hurts your feelings in a tweet or whatever. It's okay. But let's get back. Let's get off Trump. I mean, I'm sorry. Sorry if Trump. I know if Trump that word triggers some people, but BBIG. Decreasing volume to the downside. We might have room lower to 650, 658 if we do break that yesterday's low. Oh, we did. We actually okay. Never mind. We absolutely dumped. We're kind of rising up, cupping. We'll have to see what happens right out of the gate. But I'm not. I don't. There's nothing screaming bearish. We might have a flag or ABC pattern. I wouldn't be looking to buy. I mean, we did hold off that 569 level. Wow, that's really low. It absolutely fucking dumped. Break below the pre-market lows. We have room down to 465 and aftermarket lows. Room down to really, I mean, 480. Trump 2026. Yes. Okay, we were looking at SE now. SE, what was yesterday? I know people hate him, but he was great for our economy. And where I live in the Rust Belt where manufacturing is king. Yes, I know. People hate him, whatever. But yeah, he did increase everything. But the numbers where people screw you over just because they're saying he lost jobs, but like that's from the pandemic. It's not from him. And they're saying Biden brought back like 2 or 3x. I don't know how many jobs. But that's just because people are actually going back to work from the pandemic, and they're giving that Biden. They're giving that to Biden, which is just come on. And there's so much shit. I get very political, but I keep that off my channel just because I know people don't like it, and they don't come to my channel to be political, and I don't want to put my views on you guys. I just don't. I mean. I try not to, at least. Try not to, just because I respect everybody from all types of beliefs. We are very divided right now, which is what I don't like. And that's what the government exactly wants us to be, divided. Why do you think Facebook pushes misinformation and hatred and racism and everything? It's because they want us to be divided. I do too, you're right. Back to stocks. Yep. UPS. Decreasing volume to the downside. We have a gap to fill out 184.18. We're kind of rounding off. So, nothing's. So I do think we are a little bit bearish for UPS. Man, I missed my SNDL buy. Ooh, what is it at? SNDL. Why? What was going on there? What happened? 14 growth undervalued over. What's the price? Is there a price, or do they have a price target in here? $170 TKS. Just a contest. Oh, we were all the way up at 4 viewers one time. TKS is not popping up. So let's go ahead and go back to again, SC. I'm not really Not watching SC at all right now. If we had high volume with the spread, I'd be looking for puts. We have Airbnb. Airbnb is absolutely dog shit right now. So Coinbase. Coinbase is ripping. I mean, today we have the highest volume with the smallest spread. So that is telling me that we might be looking to dump here. I'm looking for Coinbase to come up off those highs, bounce, and then potentially come lower. I mean, where could we go? Bounce off the highs. I mean, for puts, 295. I think we could see it come back down to 295 today. If we bounce, if as long as we hit. So I am gonna watch Coinbase and AMD. So we have coin, AMC, and we have SESN and AMD. So I need to clear this up. So GoPro, I'm gonna delete. I do have my shares, but I don't really care, because I'm swinging those. Sorry, TXMD. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Increasing volume, broke over the highs, which is what I want to see. Break over 178 to. I mean, we could. I like that increasing in volume. Break over 179. We have room up to 81, 82, maybe even 85 for TMD. Facebook, I only short Facebook. I don't go long just because I don't like Facebook at all. I'm looking for DraftKings. I'm looking for DraftKings to break below. I want to see if I want to see DraftKings break 47.50, break 47.50. I want to see it come much lower. So I am going to be watching DraftKings as well. And we have CRSR. I didn't get an entry on CRSR yesterday, but I do think we have a pivot low. I would have liked to see a little bit of increasing in volume today. We did gap down to around 25.1. Oh, that's nothing. We might be able to see a CRSR back up with this pivot low. I want to see some volume start to step in over 23, 25. Oh. Over 25.30. I mean, where is that? Does it not show? Ah, there she is. So I'm watching CRSR. Let's go ahead and write that down. CRSR. CRSR over 25, 25. Room to 26, 5. Okay, today's watch list. Right now, right out of the gate, we're going to be watching SESN. SESN is ripping. I mean, now we're back up. I want to see a washout here. And then we have ADTX. ARKT is going to go to 10. So let's go and look. ADTX. I'll look at it in a sec. I'm looking at ADTX first. Why did I draw that? Oh, we broke the downtrend. If we don't see a bullish reaction today, back up to 177. I'm not a fan of it. We've been stagnant for a while. We have TRKA. Increase, very high volume yesterday. Why? I don't know. I'm not too sure. But what's going on? Wait, let's go and get the overall view. Okay. Might be. Break of the falling wedge. I think this is a purely technical play. A nice retest and then a move higher. Break over those highs of 163. Oh, we did. We went all the way up to 227. Break over 227. I mean, we room back up to 250. Break 250. Room to 3 for TRK. TRK is going to 10. Why do you think it's going to go to 10? Just curious. Can you look at GTE for me? Yes, of course. Of course. Of course. Kind of stagnant. Not a fan of that. We do have a downtrend on the play now. So I would like us to actually hold. We do have a gap fill at 76, so we might pull back that far. But I mean, we did fill the gap here. We have do we have an increasing in volume? We have an increasing in volume on this doji candle. I think we might see a bullish reaction today. Maybe back to 90 cents. Here we go. Right now, right out of the gate, I would watch SESN. I'm looking for a washout here. Implied volatility is... I want to see a dump here. I want to see this RSI start to come lower. And this RSI start to come lower. Yeah, it's not something I can invest in since I'm a criminal day trader now. Hey, man, basically a convicted felon. Yeah. Now, how long does that ban last? I think it lasts like 90 days. You might be able to call and get that revoked. I think that's what you're talking about that you're gonna do, and I think they'll easily say it. No, CESN. You know, I'm actually gonna try to buy. Maybe I'm gonna buy 2 right here at 35. I'm gonna try to just get 2. See if I can jump in. Oh, that implied volatility absolutely killed it. Replace order. No. Saved orders. Here we go. Single buy 2. No, I don't want to buy. The fuck? There we go. Jesus. Delta's up a little bit. We're getting up that really high volume, but we're not really moving. So I want to see this potential pullback. I mean, break over that 124. We're going to see a lot of volume start to pop in. I'm going to try to get in just with 1 right now. Just 1 contract. It's only 35 bucks. Oh no, there we go. That's exactly what I wanted to see. So the implied volatility is pretty high. Right now we are looking at SESN bounce off $1. AMC, we're looking for the bounce off 144 or 41.77. Shiba to the moon. Love. Yeah, I hope Shiba Inu goes to the moon for you. We are also watching PROG. Just don't like the bounce. Their Coinbase is still up. Looking for that bounce off that pre-market high there. That's what we wanted to see. That's exactly what we wanted to see. I like that. Damn, I missed my entry there. I was going to get in on some puts. Also, great buy. FTM bought in at 50 cents. Nice. Damn, did Josh get out of that? Please tell me he got out of that. Okay, he did. He got it for a very, 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 very small loss. We're also looking at AMD. AMD bounce off. Oh, AMD below 115. Yeah, we're pushing up. Might have if we break 1717. I mean, we'll see what happens. SESN, OCGN. I'm gonna delete OCGN off for right now. And they said they will restore it. So message them. If I don't hear anything in a couple days, I'll call them. Yeah, smart. AMD, that put is off the table. Just because it broke those pre-market highs. So we have to make a whole new trade plan. The SPY is bullish, still bullish right now. I mean, SESN kind of flagging maybe. I mean, we'll have to see what happens here. I mean, I'm not looking to day trade right now just yet. We have Coinbase looking for puts. AMC puts. Or we're looking for a bounce off 141. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer because if we break 39.60, we're gonna come down to like 38.85, maybe a little bit lower. And then we got CRSR over 225.25. Yeah, over 25.25. We have room higher. I want to see this break up with good volume. Big buyer. I'm gonna get in. Let's see if I can get in there. I couldn't get filled at 30. Where's the volume? Let's get the volume up in here. Let's try to get maybe average in here. Maybe put in 3. Should we get in at 30 maybe? I don't want to see it crack 119. We'll see. I'm a little. You in PROG plan was to exit at 3. I was in PROG. I'm still in PROG. I did take my profits just because I didn't like up there. But I still have some that I'm holding for the next couple of weeks, 2 months. So yes, but I did take my short-term profits. And I might look to average in if we pull back to around 1-2 and get a successful retest. I might look to average in more. Plan was to exit at 3. Yep. Were you able to get out at 3? Yeah, I was able to get out at, I believe, at 3.2 or some of my profits out. We have Coinbase. Coinbase puts would have been good. AMC. Looking for that bounce off yesterday's. We're looking for that, maybe that gap fill. Maybe fill that gap. Get oversold. And then what I'm seeing is, okay, RSI is coming down. Okay, never mind. So we might be able to get some AMC puts. We'll see. 144.77 around, looking for it to reverse here. And then CSR, CSRS. Want to see a nice pullback down on CRS. Want to see a pullback, and then potentially we have room for another dollar or so. So AMD's moving. I'm gonna move AMD because I don't like the puts. We have AMC. AMC, I wanted to see it come up to one, if I see a nice reversal pattern on the 1 minute or 5 minute. Coinbase puts, we're back up again. Sell. PROG again. I'm in that, and I think we have more room to the upside, but LD decreasing. If we crack that, yeah, I'm not a fan of LDTX at all. I think we're gonna, we moved up and gave everything back. I'm removing LMDX off the watch list. We have RDUS. Okay, gapping up, might be flagging potentially here. Oh my God. SESN, yeah, I wanted to see it back down. I might buy 2 right here, just risk. Just because if it does move higher. I mean, I don't like this candle, but oh, we got a call at 1. Okay, trade price, boom. Got in at 30, which is nice. Just in case it does pop, I mean, I'm risking very, very little. And I am looking to swing this over the next... Oh, why'd I buy it on the... Oh, no! I didn't want to buy it there. Fuck. I'm going to go ahead and buy 2 here for the long term, just in case. So I have some for December 17th and then this November 19th. So we'll see. SNDL and WKHS. SNDL, I know WKHS is a very highly shorted stock. SNDL dumping, not a really fan of it. We had increasing volume yesterday. I would like to stay above yesterday, or the pre-market really. But if we don't, I would like to stay above 65 to 66 cents. We have WKHS at 648. Woo! So CRSR, want to see this pullback now. There's this pullback. It's unfortunate I wasn't able to capitalize on it. I might just go ahead and actually close this position real quick. I think I have 2 long at 25. I think I'm just going to sell it real quick. I'm out. So I have my position long. I'm looking for that position to profit loss today, SCSN, profit loss open. Okay. Okay, here we go. November 19th, December. I have my December call still. I think we can still move higher for SCSN. Thank you for the follow. Again, let's go back to CRSR. Didn't get the retest yet. AMC would have been a nice. I want to see a double top, and then it stops to be above the high for AMC. CRSR, here's the slight pullback that I want to see. Woo. Stops are below 25, 26. I want to see a better pullback here for Corsair. So you pull back down to 1. I'm going to average in more here for SESN. CRSR, here's the pullback that I wanted to see. Very high volume on that candle. AMC coming back into that double top. Might be looking for some puts here. I'm looking to get 2. So let's see if I can get in. Stops below the previous high. I'm in. Bitcoin just crossed the new high. Woo! There it is. I'm in for AMC. I want to see this pull back now. Trade price is at 190. Do create closing order. I want to see AMC get rejected off this level. If we don't, I'm going to sell it for a small loss. Come on. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for the likes. Guys, Bitcoin's ripping. Bitcoin's at 65, new all-time highs. Bitcoin's at new all-time highs. We're up at 66. Right now, I'm shorting AMC. I'm long on SESN, and Bitcoin's at 66. But where AMC? Please don't. Yes, AMC cracks. That's what we're talking about. Come on. Continue to come down. I know you want to come down to 39.66. SESN back up at 19. What's going to happen here? This might be the market maker move. So I am going to look. Trade price is at 37. Let's see if I can get in at 30. If I can get in at 30, that would be nice. I am looking for a nice pullback here. Bitcoin to the moon. That's what we're talking about. Okay, I'm in again. I'm in again. Trade price is at 37 still. I got... What? Did I accidentally just sell one? Sold to 45. Sold one SESN. I did not want to sell that. Okay. I meant to buy. Go with another one there. Buy one. I'm averaging in here. Bitcoin to the moon. Bitcoin's back below. I mean, we have that volume. What's our volume sitting at? Volume sitting at 1. Oh, what's 1.01K? I don't understand what that means. Trading. I got it taken care of. We'll be back trading tomorrow. Awesome. Sorry, Yasmin. We got HIVE. Nice. It's ripping. I like that. If we break over that 395, we have room with the 450 potentially. Now let's go ahead and go back to AMC. AMC puts. Boom. They're printing. They're printing, baby. Let's go. Come on. That's what we're talking about. That's exactly what we're talking about. We're up around 5% on it so far. I think we have room back down. I want to see this crack. I want to see AMC crack a little lower. We had a nice double top. If AMC doesn't crack any lower, I mean, we have decreasing volume. Oh, yeah. GRPO over. Oh, yeah. Come on, crack. I know you want to. I don't like these long wicks to the downside. If we don't crack here, I want to see GPRO. There it is. How much? Okay, that's good. Now we got AMC. You know, I might just lock it in here. I mean, it's not getting the explosiveness that I want, so. Create closing order, sell, bid, positions. Where's my position? Oh, I'm going to try to get out at 200. I'm out at 200 or 199. Got it for 18. Just $18 on the day. Nothing crazy. I did not like this kind of wicks to the downside and decreasing volume. So, thank you. No problem. No problem. GoPro. That's what we're talking about. Back over like that. We're having a pullback now. I want to see it pull back. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes, dude. We're at 600 likes. Let's try to get to 1,000. Start tapping the screen. TikTok also pushes the stream more. How much are we up today? I'm up 63 or have $63 open today, and then I'm up 23 bucks after losing like 10 or so. So nothing crazy. Still early. We're at 49. It's only been 20 minutes into the market. GoPro's ripped all the way up to 97. Bitcoin's still having a lot of trouble. I don't even know what I have open right now. P&L open. Okay, so I have my BITO open where I have the Bitcoin futures. I have SESN. So I am in GPRO. The crypto stocks are all ripping right now. BITO. Good thing I have BTIO futures. All right. Okay, there's GoPro starting to rip. I think GoPro can continue to move. I didn't even look what positions I have open. What the fuck? Open. So I have BITO. So right now I have SESN. That's the only calls I have on SESN. Now we have SESN back up to 1. Okay, I want to see it rip. I don't like this fucking price action. I like this decreasing volume pull. No, that's not decreasing. But I don't like this fucking price action at all. Not at all. But I do like that we are gapping up and have that same amount of volume already today. But if we do not get that pop today, then we are going to definitely pull back tomorrow down to 1, which is okay. I'm fine with that. That's when I would average in. Right now we have Coinbase. Oh, let's go and look at AMC. Damn. I would have been up 50 or so bucks on that AMC put, or around 25 to 30% on that call. Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 1.4 thousand. What's going on with everything else? What's quant? Where's XRP? XRP's kind of moving. I mean, we're getting rejected off the top. We're at 102 or 112 right now. Let's go back to the daily. Yeah, Bitcoin's moving. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Broke the all-time high. Decreasing volume, though. We still have 10 days left, though. Or 10 hours left for Bitcoin. If we close with decreasing volume, then we are going to pull back below the all-time high. Sorry, someone had to say it. Fuck! Those AMC puts are printing. I would have been up fucking 40% now. God damn it. The SPY is ripping. The SPY, if it keeps moving up like this, we could test the all-time high today. Bitcoin to the moon. That's what I'm saying. We're very choppy right now. Very increased in volume. I really don't know what's happening. Let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin shorts. Bitcoin shorts are up 12%. Oh, it's on the 15-minute. That's why. I figured that's what would happen. But we are still very minimal for the Bitcoin shorts. If we see the Bitcoin shorts spike up to around 17,000, which is around that's around 2,000%, which it's very possible I can do in a couple days. Then because you're not gaining that money. That's just the whales adding into their position, so it can jump up like that. So if we do see the Bitcoin shorts start to spike, then expect Bitcoin to drop back below. The SPY's moving still. AMC is dumping. I'm kind of pissed I sold my puts too early, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Those Corsair calls didn't get a good entry. Let's go. GoPro's moving. AMC. What else do we have? We have AMC puts. We got those, and now we got to cross those off. SESN bounce at 120. It hasn't broke the highs yet. Has not broke the highs yet. Then we're gonna watch Coinbase because Coinbase is gonna go. I mean, honestly, I might get a Coinbase call real quick. Something stupid. I want to see we had a nice retest. We're not getting that price action that I wanted for Coinbase. We have decreasing volume. We do have 12 minutes left till this closes. Thank you guys. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes, Devin. GoPro's ripping, decreasing volume. I want to see GoPro hold above this level. We have decreasing volume on the 5-minute. Let's see how much Josh is up. Josh is down $200 today already. Bitcoin to the moon. Let's see what Bitcoin had. Bitcoin's sitting at, I think it's sitting at like 66 now. Oh, the high was at 66. We're getting decreasing volume though. Expect a pullback. I mean, I expect a pullback down to if we do not. Oh, where's this? Is this the high? Yeah, 64,899. If we do not, oh, let me get to a different 15-minute time frame. Okay, if we break the high, then we're going to continue lower. I mean, we did have a successful retest of that high of the previous high, and I think we continue moving, but we'll see as it continues to push. CRSR, guys, that retest wasn't the best. I missed 6 cents, but I think you do have room higher, so I'm going to delete CRSR just because that retest we missed it. There's my pen. So right now we have SESN. That's the calls that I'm watching. We might be forming a bullish pennant here. Very high volume. I don't like these wicks. If we break those highs, I might go in for a little bit more. Let's go and look at Coinbase. What's going on with Coinbase again? Coinbase is ripping. I mean, not crazy, but what about the SPY? Let's go and look at the SPY. I'm not going to short the SPY because last time I shorted the SPY, I got fucking burned. But we will see. What about D&K? DK and G, my bad. And then we also have Zoom. Zoom's dumping. But it already hit our price target, and we were able to capitalize on that crazy amount. Those AMC puts, I'm not too sure what those sold. AMC $42 put. Yeah, okay. So they're about the same price right now. And right now I think I'm not really watching too many things. You said you need to tell us something. Bitcoin's at 66. SESN. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you. Oh, there it is. SESN ripping. Woo! Yeah, baby. It's Friday, baby. Come on. Get me filled. Get me filled. I know you want to fill me. I don't like that. Come on. I'm going to replace this order. We're going to get this going. 45 maybe? Aha! There we go. We have 4 calls now. I mean, it might continue to dump. Who knows? But I am. Oh, we have a big seller. What's happening? We have 9. He's trying to sell 95,000 shares. 94,000 shares. 9. Where'd he go? Guys, there's a big seller. But if he gets taken out, we know that we're gonna continue pushing higher. Come on, there he is. Break over 126. Break over 126. I know you want to. Come on. Okay. The seller's starting to get taken out. The seller's starting to get taken out. It looks like we might start to crack here. Let's see what happens. He's adding to his position. 29,000. Oh man, there's another seller in the market. We got to get past this level. Get past this 126 level, and we're going to rip to the upside. Probably pop up around 8 cents or something. Come on, I know you want to. 3,000, 33. Oh my God, there he is. Starting to get filled now. 140, 108. Look for the crack. 3. Oh, he's adding to it. He's adding to it. He's adding to it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yep, there it is. 127 broke the high, but we're getting met with more sellers. More sellers here. Bitcoin to the moon. That's what we're talking about. Yes, yes. SDSN. Woo! Yeah, baby. We have increasing in volume. This is what we want to see. Well, not increasing in volume, not yet. Now these are just, this is just kind of it's meh. A and Y. Why are you watching that, Josh? That's only up 6%. The fuck you doing? I got $900 left to trade with for today. 128. I'm not a fan of that. I want to see this continue to rip. Bitcoin's at 66. All the highs at 66, 111. 128. That was the previous high. But I am holding these long. So A and Y is ripping. I mean, GoPro back up. Oh, I don't like that at all. But again, I'm holding GoPro for a couple months. We have AMC, Coinbase. If we have that same amount of volume, I might look to. I mean, I don't know why Coinbase is oversold on the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, or overbought on all four of those daily charts. So I might be forming a head and shoulders pattern here. So if we do form that head and shoulders pattern, I'm going to take Coinbase puts down to 305. And I would get October 22nd with a 315, maybe even a 310 strike. I'll do a 305 strike with a delta of 31. So if I can get that enter and I come down to 3, or we're going to gain around 7. We might be able to catch around $350 play here. Maybe catch a nice 100% move. I want to see it pull up here. I want to see it. Let's go ahead and get this ready. We got this this option ready. Increasing volume. There's the neckline. I want to see us get a little bit of a reversal here. Come back up on the 1 minute. We might be able to come down to around 109. The implied volatility here is at 68, so it's not crazy. It's not crazy. I want to see a bullish reaction back up to around 313, 16, and then we could see a low. Oh, did we make a pivot low? We have a pivot high now. So we might be able to see this rip to the downside. I mean, it's very surprising that I don't know if I want to take puts on Coinbase though, just because Bitcoin's making all-time highs. Might be it might be just a short-term play here. I mean, if we break 110 or 310, we have room down to 300. Easy. Here's this move, increasing volume. There it is. Here's the head and shoulders pattern. Here's the head and shoulders pattern. I need to see some kind of sign that we are not going to. SESN, what's SESN doing? Back up at, okay, ripping. I like that. Might be, I want to see us break. We have increasing volume. I want to see us break 128. Come on, crack. I know you want to. We have 93,000 shares looking to be sold at 129. Keep seeing trades for VLCN. I don't see, what do you mean trades like 15? Okay. Where's Coinbase? Coin. Okay, here we go. We got decreasing volume. We're oversold. I want to see this candle close. I'm risking a new high a day, which is around $1 away. And I'm getting the 305 strike. I'm risking $30 here. Risking $30. Insider trading alerts on the app I have. Oh. Let's see if I can get in here. Wait. 340, 350. Let's try to get in at 3. Yeah, let's try to get in at I want to get in at 330. I really want to get in at 330. I don't think I am though. I'm gonna get out though. Canceled it. I don't like that wick. YRD, or we got WTRH. Might be a potentially good trade. We have a really long wick, which is what I like to see. Might have a 3-bar play. Have a 3-bar play. Break over 150, room to 155, and then break over 155, room to 169. GoPro is kind of, it's light volume, which is like what I want to see. We're kind of building up on this pullback. And why? Not too sure. AMC, we sold those putts pretty well. I mean, I Profit loss open. I have SESN up 12, GoPro up 32, and BITO up 2. Nothing crazy right now. I do want to see, SESN dumping, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, this is very minimal for my. So the SPY is moving. Went up to 52. I want to see the SPY dump. I want to see the SPY come on and dump. Gonna look at the crypto. Let's go look at the percent change. Hive. The one day they're listening, but the rest of my positions are swings right now. Break over 13 for Hut. I mean, alrighty. I am looking for Hut for a break of the all-time high. We have a nice cup with a handle. BITO. No, I only bought one. I mean, fuck it. Hold it long. Shining bullish, and I don't know where it will be. Will stop long term. They have a giant contract that should make big hit on earnings. So we got. I think they're bullish. Nice double bottom. I don't know where it could stop. I mean, we have room to 7, break 7, room to 8. So at 7, 8, 9, and 950, we're gonna find resistance. With an increase in volume. SESN at 30. SESN at 130. I think we have room up to 150 today. The volume's pretty high. That's what I like to see. Send at 130. That's what I like. Yasmin, you're calling SESN like I think you called SESN last week. If I could be mistaken, but you were calling it way before everyone else. Good shit. I have just November. Oh, what? Okay, December 17th. $1 call. I have my trade price at 39.5, and I have 4 of them so far. I think I want to see this. I'm gonna average in a little bit more, but I think we could see it up to. Honestly, if we come up to really like one, let's go ahead and go to the charts. It's hard for me to see this. Maybe about 156, and there's some. If we break over 156 today, we have up to 184. I'm really gonna probably think about selling if we do hit 156, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, I don't like that really high wick, high volume on that wick. Booming commodities, people. Yes, booming commodities. AMC done with that. SPY might break those highs. I'm risking like 10 cents here. No, $12 strike. I can't get in. I missed it. I'm gonna hold it a little bit more. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, HUD's back below. 132 increasing volume. That's what we want to see. I want to see us break 132 right now. I want to see us break 132. Do I now have my times and sales? What's times and sales? There we go. Filter show greater than or equal to 1,000. Buying, we see buying. Wish. What's going on? Whoops. Whoa, what's going on with Wish? Rebound off 5 spike. New session high. That at Wall Street's pre-market Monday. I don't even know what's going on with Wish. I want to see us come up to 614 with then a potential flag. Break over the 614 level. We have room back up to 777. I want to see a pullback down to 533. I mean, I really don't want to see it below 550. Here, that's even a little hefty. After the guys, I think SCSN could move. I mean, let's go and try to look float checker. Let's go ahead and look at what SCSN float the okay. All right. The float. Okay. So the float is around the same for everybody. So it's a really high float, which is not what we want to see. That's why it's a slow mover. That's why it is slow moving, because it's a 200 million float stock. All right, I am looking for a smaller pullback on Wish, or a little bit more of a pullback. Woo! SCSN, that increase in volume. I want to see a slight pullback now. I think this is going to be a runner for the day. We still have like 40 minutes left of this candle, so anything can happen for SCSN. I want to see SCSN above 150 today. If we can see it above 150, woo! If we can see it today above 150 and we don't have that crazy amount of volume, I might be looking to take some of my profits, because I will be up 60% or more, and then and potentially to add in. Up around 34 bucks. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Bitcoin's going to reject a decreasing volume. Maybe bounce off the 200 SMA. Want to see a bigger pullback down to. I really want to see it down to around 560, 568. SESN, yes, let's print. I do think we're gonna have a pullback on SESN. I will ideally want to stay above 120, 124, that pre-market high. But and plus, SESN has a 200 million float, so it's going to be a slow mover. That's why we're not seeing it pop as much as if this was a 20 million float, we'd see this already up at 150, 170. But very light volume on this pullback. Let's go and cover the watch options watch list. If I go like level 2, I kind of fuck with that level 2 right there. What if we turn on the news for this one as well? Then I can just move this up a little bit. Perfect. All right, I am going to end the TikTok live stream. Just because, whatever. I kind of want to go on my phone real quick, check some emails, see if I can get something. I don't know. Fuck it. I mean, I want to save it for YouTube. Peace. Didn't really have a reason to end the TikTok, but I wanted to end it, so fuck it. Am I right? I'm going to hear from you. Okay. TikTok wants me to answer a few questions. Your age. Okay. Your gender, male. Which of the following social apps have you used for live stream? TikTok Live, YouTube Live. That's pretty much it. The following TikTok Live. Neutral. YouTube Live. Very satisfied. Arval, to what extent are you willing to recommend others live stream on the platforms? I'm trying to. Regarding the various aspects of live streaming, on which of the following platforms are you satisfied with? Number of viewers. TikTok Live. Live tools, hashtag settings. All right, I'm not gonna answer that whole fucking survey. That's pretty long. You're giving me butterflies and walking about kisses. Oh lordy. HX. Dump into the downside. Options. This is personal. Today's watch list. There we go. So I actually can close this. And let's... Edits, swing trade, cancel, delete, swing trade. There, okay, got my crypto stocks watch list and my thinkorswim. Okay, that's much better. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. I've just been... There we go. There we go. AMD would have been great for puts, but wasn't able to capitalize on it. SESN, light pullback. That's what we want. GoPro, Wish. What's Wish doing? Wish would have been a good trade, but... Yeah, I wish there was a way. We might see a nice bull flag. We see a bull flag here. And do a measured move here. Potential to 550 here. So I expect or 150, excuse me. All right, guys, it's around 11:30. I think I'm done trading for the day. I am going to just keep... I'm going to look for SCSN to continue to move here. But I think I'm just going to call it. Thank you guys for stopping in. I'll see you guys tomorrow.